With vast and wide areas to protect, critical infrastructures present unique security and operational challenges. Being able to expand coverage of long perimeters to identify normal or suspicious activity is critical to the security of these applications. Limited awareness increases the risk of intrusion, impacting security and reputation. Increased number of false alarms desensitize operators and reduces efficiency. Thanks to the deep integration of Bosch Video Analytics in Genetec Security Center, you can follow moving objects on a geographical map with the Restricted Security Area Surveillance add-on. Bosch cameras with video analytics generate information on an object's location, speed, and trajectory. Moving targets are intuitively displayed on a map so you can assess and respond to threats in less time. In this example, a virtual fence is created in Genetec Security Center. Two thermal cameras with intelligent video analytics are located along the perimeter, and video analytics continuously scans the area for moving objects. One moving camera is securing another part of the premises. The real-time field of view of the cameras is visualized in blue and green. Video analytics detects a moving object, and an alarm is triggered. The moving object is classified as a person, and the location, object speed, and trajectory is visualized. The moving camera is triggered at the same time, and it steers towards the moving object and starts following the person with intelligent tracking. A new video window shows the person walking towards the second camera. As soon as the person passes the second camera, the system does an automatic handover and shows the video image of the second camera. Now you can track moving objects over multiple cameras in real time. Genetec and Bosch deliver integrated solutions that go beyond today's most challenging surveillance demands.